Hi everyone, welcome to the AWS tutorial. And in this video, you'll be learning S3 bucket, how you can create IAM user, and how you can reset IAM user password. Without wasting any time, let's dive into it. This is my dashboard. Let's first create IAM user. And now you need to go to the user and create a user and named it. And I want to create IAM user and make it auto-generated password. And if you want to add custom password, you can select it. So I will keep it auto-generate password and hit next. Now hit create group. So just add S3 Amazon full access. Okay, this one, and then hit create user group. And I need to name it. It will be Nymore group. Now select the group and click next and create user. And now you have the credential and you need to copy this URL and open it in new browser. Copy the username because you already have the ID. Copy the password. Sign in. And now you need to generate a new password. So I'll copy the password again. And now I need to give it new password. And continue signing. And this is your account. Okay. So now you need to go to the S3 bucket. So now you need to create a new bucket. If I click create, so remember the bucket name need to be unique globally. It means it's exactly like the domain, how domain work. You cannot create a bucket that already exists. So I will just name it Nymore web bucket. So you need to uncheck this block all public access, because if you don't uncheck it, then nobody can access anything in this bucket. And you also need to check this one and then hit create bucket to go to the bucket, and then click on the permission. You just need to create some permission. So currently I'm in the IAM user account, so I need to go to the main account so that I can create the permission over here, because IAM user cannot create permission. So this is my main account, and you need to go to the bucket and go to the permission, and now you need to click on edit. So you will definitely edit the bucket policy. Now click on add new statement and search for S3 and then search for get object. Okay, and then add new resources. Sorry, not this one. All resources. Okay, and copy this name and then add it over here. That means inside of this bucket, everything will be accessible. Okay, and also add a star over here, or you can say abstract or whatever you say. Okay, so this one, and now you just need to save changes. Boom. So this is your policy, and if you go to the IAM user and reload, then you will see the policies. So this is how it's worked. So now what you need to do, you just need to go to the bucket and upload something. Okay, so you can create a new folder and just upload. Okay, so I will just upload it, drag and drop it. Okay, so if I just drop it and then click on upload, it's uploading, and now we have a nymodev.png, and I open it, I will get the link. So this is the link. So if I just hit, did you see? So this is the URL. Okay, and if I just try to open it in incognito mode, then you can also see it. So that's how the bucket work. That's how you can give your IAM user the permission of your S3 bucket. Okay, so now assume that you want to reset one of your IAM user password. So let's learn how you can do it. So this is my user, and so you just need to go to the security credential. Okay, so this is the console link. You need to go to the manage console setting. So reset password, click on custom. Now click on reset password. Now you just need to log in. Okay, so this is the sign in link, just copy it, and now copy the name, and you can show password and the password, show password, and I will just save it and sign in. So this is how you can generate new password. So that's it. that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy the actual shortest AWS videos on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in the next video with CloudPhone. Bye bye.